Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to light up the house in order to actually trick or treat in 99 Nights in the Forest. So once you actually have your candle, just make your way over to any house where you can actually do trick or treating on. That one's already lit up, so I don't want to do it there, but let's go ahead and try to find a house. But basically, again, the one key ingredient you could say is that you do need a candle. So if you don't have a candle, this will not be able to, you won't be able to do it. Okay, so we found a house right there. So let's basically just make our way over there. And what we want to do is we want to go ahead and get our candle. And what we want to do is we want to go ahead and grab it. And then you want to just go ahead and just bring it over to the pumpkin. And I don't think it's for the outside pumpkins. Oh, I mean, yeah, actually, it's not. These are the ones to eat. But it's basically for the 3 or the 4, how many ever there are on the front. And you can't actually knock if it is morning. So that's something to keep in mind. So that is basically how to trick or treat, or how to light up the house. And yeah, that's basically it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.